absolutely mental. This car is off it. This is a C63 S AMG 2019-19 with 8,500 miles. Full service history, 510 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds, stock car. Now this one has been modified. It's got a stage 2 map on it. It's got different downpipes on it. It sounds absolutely amazing if you're into that kind of stuff. Not for everyone. It's loud, very loud. But it does, someone who's after a C63 S probably has the intention of doing them sort of things to it, because it sounds bonkers. But this one is a very special car. It's got all the extras. It's an S, but then like the carbon edition, it's got loads of other extras on it as well, which I will touch on and show you as much as possible. Because the car's in 8,500 miles, it's in an immaculate condition. 2 keys, no bodywork damage, nothing. Today with the live pricing, this car is $69,990, but there isn't much to compare it with because there's not many out there available today. This one is a facelift model, which is the first and foremost, because in the 2018 they changed the models ever so slightly. It's got the newer style of headlights with the blue accents in the headlights, the new style LED daytime running lights, the full multi-beam LED headlights as well, the Panamericana front grille with a full 360 view camera system. So that's the front cameras, the side cameras, the rear cameras. Front rear parking sensors with park assist, and then you've got in the front apron just there, all carbon fibre with a double lip with the side aprons there to give that more aggressive, mean looking front end. Now this car's got, which is an upgrade by the way, not part of the S, because the Cumber forged wheels are standard anyway, but this has got the ultra lightweight forged wheels on it, and that's the 19 inch on the front and the 20 inch on the back, and they are in brand new condition. Matte black finish. You've got that lovely diamond cut ring on the outside with a little black pinstripe there. AMG embossed into the wheel itself. Red brake calipers with the AMG logo on there. The V8 bi-turbo badges. The side skirt here is completely flared out, unlike your normal AMG, so the S gives it a more aggressive side stance on it. High gloss black window surrounds, sun protection glass, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, comfort access. And then you've got that amazing interior. You've got the S seats, which is the one-piece headrest with that lovely aluminium insert just below the headrest. You have the ivory accents in Alcantara on the inserts of the seats. Electric seats, memory seats, heated seats, and you've also got Burmeister sound system. But if you come all the way in here, you'll see that lovely refined finish of the high gloss carbon fibre finish all down the centre section of the middle console there. The facelift model gives you the newer, wider lensed media screen and also a full digital cockpit as well, which I'll show you in a few seconds. Fully fitted matte front and rear, AMG illuminated entry kick plates, but you can just see how well this car's been looked after. There's no scratches on any of the panels, nothing like that. You've also got the back seat, so as soon as you lift the handle this way, the seats electronically move forward. ISOFIX attachments, same again with the ivory accents in Alcantara in the seats. All the wheels in perfect condition, LED style rear lighting system. You've then got the black quad tailpipes on there with that, again, rear diffuser, which is completely different. You might not be able to hear me here, but this section here is all carbon fibre and surrounding. The apron's completely different. This section is different altogether. That's giving a double wrap around the exhaust with that lovely aerodynamic rear apron just there. Let me show you the boot as well. Because remember, to have a car that's fast is good, but you also want it to be practical, and this has got a very good sized boot. Seats go down 40-40-20, the handles are just there. Automatic tailgate can be used off the key by pressing the button, and it's also got gesture as well, so it does everything. The car is truly a one-off. To get an S to start off with, and then to get one that sounds as good as this and goes as well as this, is amazing. Heads-up display, massive extra, as in on a car like that, it's what you want. You've then got, like I said before, this fully digital dials here. You can configure and change all this around. You can have navigation on there. You can have how much G-force is going on. It's brilliant. You've got the different sport modes here. So I'm in Sport Plus, the Sport, Comfort, Individual, and there's also Race mode, which I do love. You can turn the sports exhaust on and off just by pressing this one, and then auto stop start. All the stereo controls and Bluetooth controls, all that is just there. Your heads up, you can switch it off, and different sort of switches down there. I love the lovely clock in the middle. It's just nice, it just looks refined, good touch. Leather wrapped dashboard. Both keys are here. Wireless charging pad just down there. And you've got the center armrest, which has more USBs and more cubbyhole space. So remember, 8,500 miles, C63 S in the black, with a black interior, with loads of upgrades, lots of carbon fibre, and it has been modified, so it's enhanced again. That is a sick sound. It is mental. Just arrived, won't last long, like they never do, especially cars that are as nice as this. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.